Hey, it's Griff and Sarah, and we're at the Williamstown College.
In Williamstown, Massachusetts.
Is that where we are?
That's where we are.
All right, so we have these giant eyes here. These sculptures were put in 2001 for the 75th anniversary of the college. This is Louise Bourgeois, and she's better known for the giant sculpture of a spider. So all of the eyes have a little LED light. I think they probably go on at night, and it's pretty interesting. Some of them are protruding out, a little bit phallic, and those over on the other side have a little seat on them.
All right, here we are on Route 7 in Hoosick, New York, and I give you big chair and little chair.
All right, so at the same location, you got a 1997 Daybreak with low miles. Looks to be in pretty good 90s shape.
And we have a medium-sized chair. And here we have one more big chair at Creative Custom Woodcraft, right in Hoosick, New York. Okay, here we are in Bennington, Vermont. This is the oldest ladderback chair. It was built in 1940 and restored in 1969.
All right, this thing's survived fire, tornado, bankruptcy. Looks like it's in pretty rough shape still. It's missing some parts and it's rotting away. And there's no seat.
All right, here we go. As seen on Roadside America.
Check the link in the description.